how to use HARO for backlinks, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use HARO for backlinking. This is going to be a very fun and easy tutorial for you guys to show you how you can link build using HARO. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you will go to a website helpareporter.com, which is HARO. And HARO is a way we help reporters get the news. We can become the source, and this is actually one of the best backlinking method to build backlinks for your website to get the traffic, to actually get the backlinks directly from these high authority websites. How HARO works, how you can sign up, how to get started, and how you can send your sources to reporters and you can create a page. That's what we will cover today. Once you get to helpareporter.com or HARO, you need to sign up. Now, the best thing about HARO is that it's completely free and we can sign up for free for this hub with the best. You can see the journalists are from very big authorities and you can check out the names here. Click on sign up and it will take you right here. In order to sign up, you have to enter your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, select your country, enter your company, password, select I am not a robot, and agree to allow personal and data. So click on sign up. Once you sign up, it will take you to your dashboard of HARO, help a reporter out. Using HARO is actually really easy, and why we should use HARO. HARO helps us get the backlinks. How to create a good pitch so that the journalist, gets to you. I will also tell you about it. So on my pitches, you will be able to see things you have pitched. I have not pitched anything yet. Let's submit a new pitch. Click right here, and what you need to do is you will enter a reporter's email. Now you can get the email from any website or any of the news magazines. You have read a news and you found out that this reporter is actually working on it. You will become a source for them. So HARO is for reporters as well and for sources. Because we're talking about backlinking and building our backlinks, we will be talking about the source point of view. That's why I'm showing you how to create a pitch. So when it comes to the journalists, and they can take care of that. So we have a reporter's email. So you can get the email from their website. Again, you can just get the email from like any source you had. And you will enter an email address here. Then you have to enter the subject. And then you will type in your pitch. Now, the subject should be eye-catching because we're getting the attraction of a reporter that we have a source for them and we want them to actually create a backlink to our website. So let's say I have a backlink for a news. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you are in any of the industry, it totally depends on the niche or the category you work in because you are the expert in that. If you have a crypto website, if you have a blog, if you have a travel blog, anything like that, you are the expert and you're giving them a source. So don't worry about it. You can write whatever you want to, but make sure that it's not arrogant. It doesn't feel like you're actually, and don't be cheesy or say things like please and something like that. Make sure to give a good impression. Check your spelling mistakes. Don't do any spelling mistakes and be according to a point. Don't go over the board and, type too much. You just want to give them the information and you want journalists to know that this is actually a good pitch and they will approach you. I have personally been reached by one of the journalists once and it was actually a very good experience. And what happens is I got the backlink and it helped my website a lot with the SEO, with the backlinking. And what happens at the end is that we can make more money with our website or with the blog that we have. So on HARO, again, it's actually really easy. You sign up, you get to my pitches and create a page for a journalist. Why HARO, like help a reporter out, is one of the biggest backlinking method out there. It's because the journalists are from the websites that get millions of readers every day. For instance, I've been approached by a journalist from Times, or we have like New York Times and Fox News or something like that. Of course, they have thousands of readers every day, visitors every day. So of course, if my website is has a link, in one of the articles that they wrote, then that will help a beginner a lot to get their website out there, and that helps us with our SEO. That's how we get the backlinks. So this all lies in the page that you create here. You will enter the page, you give a good first impression. Let me actually show you some of the pitch examples so that you can get an idea. So we have one right here. You can see, "Hi, Jordan, sharing my thoughts. It's a common mistake to send everyone to the homepage. Please are always looking for something very specific. It's essential that a landing page you are sending them to is fully consistent with the essence of the search. You should create specific landing pages for each keyword group. It's crucial," and stuff like that. So it's like a get backlink from top media option. Then we have some of the queries from Quora. So what happens on HARO is that you just type in your pitch. You will pitch something to them that is important, that is actually, that catches their eye. That's what we actually want. Also, you can check out the different queries that are available, and you can check out your past pitches on HARO as well. It will show you all of the pitches that you have submitted. To create new one, you will click right here. Then we have my account. So it will show you your information, and you can add more and more things to it. For example, HARO preferences. This is really important, that what kind of niche you are going for. You have now subscribed to the master HARO, so you can actually get a specific HARO. And what you can do is you can select your niche. So I'm going to go with travel because that's what I do. Then we have business and profile. I'm not going to select this. Instead, I will go with lifestyle and fitness. So you will select the category here, and then you can just simply sign up for HARO. There are a lot of HARO platforms out there, but helpreporter.com is actually a free platform. You don't need to buy a plan or anything. You can just sign up, click on submit a new pitch. You can get some examples as well before. If you are a complete beginner, then you will just enter a reporter's email here in the query info from where you got the inquiry. Pitch details, enter your subject, pitch, click on submit, and your pitch will be submitted to the journalist. That is how we get backlinks, and HARO will help me get the backlink for my website, for my blog that I have, and it will help me rank higher. It will help me make more money. So if you were looking for a platform to create backlinks, then go ahead and check out helpreporter.com, which is a free platform, and you can use it to build backlinks as a complete beginner. Make sure to sign up as a source if you want to, create backlinks. But if you are a journalist, then of course you will sign up for the I'm a journalist part on HARO. This is by station right here, and you can also access other options. You can also buy a subscription if you want to avail more features, but you can sign up for free and get started, create new pitches, and create backlinks. I hope that this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on a bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.